In this video we will learn how to flip cards like this, and also like this. Hi guys, welcome back. It's CSS time. As you can see in my HTML, I have one div with the class of card, which is the container, and I have two divs, card front and card back. In my CSS, I have some styling for the body with colors and fonts, and also I have my two gradients, one for my card front and one for my card back. Alrighty, let's get started with styling our card container. First, I want it to be positioned relative because I want to position my card absolute, and I give it the width of 300 pixels and a height of 400 pixels. And pixels. I also want to have a cursor to the pointer. Hit save. Now let's start styling our card front and our card back, and I will do the styling for both classes at the same time. Okay, so I want them to be positioned absolute, and I want them to have width and the height of 100%. Already, hit save. Now, what else do I want? I want a border radius to be 1 rem, and I want them to be displayed. I want them to be flex containers, so flex direction will be column, and I want everything to the center, so justify content center, align items to the center. Okay, if I say now, here is my card. Oh, of course, only my back card is visible because they are positioned both absolute and they are one on top of the other, but my back card comes later, card back comes later in the DOM, so that's why that card is visible. So what I can do, I can put some changes in the HTML and put this card to be the first, but I don't want to mess up with my markup, therefore I will make some changes in the CSS instead. So I will take my back card, and on this card I will say I will start rotating this card. Let's do first rotate X, and I will do 180 degrees. If I save now, I gain nothing, but only my card is rotated. But what I did is I moved that card in the 3D space, so now that card is behind my front card, and all I need to do is here I put back face visibility to hidden. And now if I save, as you can see, my front card is visible because my back card is rotated in the 3D space, and this property will make sure that everything that's behind that card in the 3D space is hidden. So now I have my both cards styled properly, so now let's work on flipping those cards when hovering, and of course you can do the same for a click event, for example, or anything you want in your JavaScript. I will say my card class when it is hovered, and then I want to target first my front card. I will copy this line, so I will rotate it exactly 180, and I will copy this down. For my card back, the rotation I already have 180, so this should be 360 degrees. Okay, let's save all of that and test out our hovering. Okay, this change happens momentarily, so what I need to do is on my both cards, I should put transition to transform, let's say 0.8 seconds, and I should spell it right, transform. Okay, now let's try it. Okay, now my flipping is working, but as you can see, I don't have that 3D effect I want. And in order to get that, I should put some perspective on the parent div, this one, my class of cards. So if I add perspective of, let's say, 1000 pixels and save that, you can experiment with the number. And now when I hover, as you can see, I have that vertical flipping I want. Awesome, right? Super cool. Now let's do the horizontal flipping. It's very simple. Just instead of this should be, instead of rotate X, it should be rotate Y. And if I save now and test it now, okay, now I have this flipping. Awesome. Now let's flip these cards diagonally, and for that I need to have a rotation on both axes. So I will say rotate X and rotate Y. Also here rotate X and rotate Y, and also here rotate X and rotate Y. Alrighty, let's save all of that and test it out. As you can see, here I have a problem. My rotation is working, but I initially see my back card, therefore I will put a Z index on my front card, which will be 2. If I save, now I have my, but now I don't see the back card at all, so I will cancel that Z index when my front card is hovered. So here I will put that Z index back to 0. Okay, now let's test it out. Okay, so you can see now I can see my back card. Initially I see my front card, and when I hover I get my back card, and I have super cool 3D diagonal flipping. Alrighty guys, that would be it for this super quick tutorial. I hope you liked flipping cars. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I wish you a great day, goodbye, and lots of love.